Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Check available storage on your phone and chosen cloud or external drive. Once done, update the OS and apps so backups include current data. Make sure backup services are enabled, like iCloud or Google Backup, or install a trusted backup app. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and plug the device into power. This prevents mid-backup failures and speeds up the initial full sync. Now you execute the complex middle steps. Choose exactly what to back up: photos, messages, app data, and system settings, and enable encryption if security is required. Start a manual full backup so you see progress and capture everything. Monitor for any error codes and retry failed items individually. If using an external drive or computer, switch the phone to file transfer mode, use a certified cable, and confirm the total transferred size matches expectations so you don't miss files. Finish by verifying the backup and setting up maintenance. Restore or preview a file to confirm integrity, then schedule regular incremental backups so you only transfer changes and save bandwidth. Adjust retention and versioning to keep needed history. If something goes wrong, check the usual culprits: Wi-Fi stability, available free space, and backup app permissions. Once fixed, retry the backup or switch to a different target like local storage. If errors persist, export logs and contact support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.